frequency 122.905. Yellow flashing lights indicate you're approaching an active runway. ATC clearance is required. Simultaneous operations are being conducted to parallel and crossing runways. Read back all runway assignments and hold short instructions. Advise on initial contact you have received. India.
India. Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Back in the Eagle. We'll do some practice flying this morning. Good to get some free time alone. Fly around, be free, do what I want, fly upside down, left and right, up and down, upside down, whatever. You know, it is what it is. But that's the awesome freedom of flight. We get to live it every day here. It's starting to get hot out here in Vegas. It's like 100 and I don't know, 105, maybe 100. Something like that.
And Eagle 2 X-ray, Sierra runway 12 right at Alpha, taxi via Bravo Alpha.
Bravo Alpha 12 right at Alpha. Eagle 2 X-ray.
Eagle 22 X-ray, Sierra, North Las Vegas Tower with 120.11, runway 12 right at Alpha, cleared for takeoff, right turn not approved.
12 right at Alpha, clear for takeoff, right turn approved, Eagle 22 X-ray, Sierra. Okay. Final clear, Captain, there's luck. Fixtures full rich off there. Here we go.
There's a new part of me, part I want you to see. You haven't seen the best of me, I know. You can try to fool yourself, like you love somebody else. But you and him will never feel the way we do. Ooh, 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 I wanna take you out. Ooh, 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 show you what I'm all about.
Tower for X-ray, ready to go, 12 right.
43 X-ray, thank you, 1120.11, runway 12 right, clear for takeoff, right turn not approved.
Clear takeoff, 12 right, 4.
Cessna 87 uniform, wind 110.11, runway 12 left, clear for the option.
12 left, clear for the option, 777 uniform.
Cessna 2 X-ray, Sierra, always a pleasure, where you go, sir. Frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved, video X-ray, yeah. What should we work on today? Do a couple snap rolls, hammerheads, work on some rolls again. It's a little bit cooler when we get up the altitude.
I would do anything just to get you back again. I would do anything at all. No, I'm not innocent. You deserve a better man. But let me just hold your hand once more. Ooh, 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 I wanna take you out. Ooh, 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 show you what I'm all about. Ooh, 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 make up for what we lost. Tonight is the night that we're gonna fall in love. I don't care about you and him. I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin. Cause we're still sleeping in my head. I don't care about you and him. I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin. Cause we're still sleeping in my head.
Pew pew pew! Alright! Full for the vertical! Oh, it is straight up, and no kick for a hammerhead. Airspeed is 0, kicking full left rudder coming down. Up and correct in.
Part I want you to see. You haven't seen the best of me, I know.
Oh yeah.
You can try to fool yourself,
There we go. Let's just hold it, relax. There's speed 60, coming down a little bit of right rudder.
This is Secretary Traffic Track 19804 over the golf course at 38 doing ground numbers for the business.
Alright.
I don't care about you and him. I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin. Cause we're still sleeping in my head. I don't care about you.
Let's see here. We'll go ahead and do go for an avalanche. Go ahead and dive down, get some speed up here. There we go. 120, 140, 150. Go ahead and pull. Over the top. Now. There we go. Stop it. And we're coming around, coming around, coming around. Oh yeah. Level off, 140. Let's go for a hammerhead straight into it. On the vertical line. Holding it, holding it, holding it. And take full left rudder. Here we go. Opposite. Straight down.
Northwest Factory Traffic, Cessna 160 Romeo Alpha is a mile north of the Northwest Water Retention Basin, 4,000 feet. Headed back to Northtown, last call, Northwest
Double
Factory.
snap and recover. Coming back down. Level off, 6,500, we're good at 100 knots. Clear up the area. Alright, Northwest Factory, blue biplane. 6,500, maneuvering good south to water tank. We'll go back there.
And life is just a chain of moments spent, 1,000 hellos and goodbyes. Maybe a love like ours.
There we go, and dive down.
Out its call.
160 vertical. Yeah, let's do a quarter turn on the roll up. And let's do a pushover. Woo! Woo! Look at that. Ah, that's all. Oh. Hey, do another Humpty push. Go vertical straight up again. Stop it there. Hold it. Push her over. A lot more right rudder. Alright, that's a little too much right rudder actually. Alright. Try a vertical snap roll on the upline. I'll get some altitude for this one. This should be interesting. A little bit more mixture here. Manifold pressure doing about 23. Okay. Let's go and dive for it. Vertical straight line, snap roll on top and see what happens. Here we go. There's 150, 160, 170, level, and pull. And vertical straight up, 100, snap. Woo, woo, woo. Oh yeah, hang on. There we go. That was funky. That was weird. Alright, you know what happened? That was awesome. Let's try that again. It almost turns into like a tumble. Or it just loses so much energy on the top, it just basically starts falling backwards. Alright, about 7,000 feet. Temperature's good, oil pressure's good. Alright, let's do that again. Alright, diving in. 120. Here we go. more than 160. 6,000. Full. Critical. 100 knots. Snap it. Whoa, okay, there we go. It's like recovering from a torque roll. Just worse. And back on heading. Oh yeah. Ugh. Just feel the wash. Altitude back. Over off, push over 90 degrees. And Northwest practice area. Yellow blue biplane maneuvering 6,500 over the water tower. Northwest. Ooh, starting to get hot. Let's see. And boom. We're gonna do a couple consecutive snaps. Yeah, there's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. That's tumbling. That damn like.
I just got done with my session. It was pretty epic. I'm pretty exhausted. You know, pulling 6 Gs, just getting my tolerances back up and getting ready for Reno and stuff. And you know, I want to keep focusing on some aerobatics flying and stuff. So I finally had some free time this morning to go up and just be free and do what I wanted. You know, and that's the best part of flying. So with the heat coming in with Las Vegas, where you know temperatures are like 110 degrees outside plus, you gotta go up early in the morning or late in the afternoon, like really late. It's almost dark time, or it's almost night, you know. So, but it's a good session, good workout, a little bit of sweat, you know. Spit enough to you like you're almost gonna get sick, and then you stop before it gets worse. So that's when I call it quits. It doesn't take long, you know. You go 10 minutes straight of just pulling G's and aerobatics and workout, getting a pretty good workout, but it does feel good at the end. You're refreshing, hydrate, and just get back into it. So hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and I'll keep producing more. See ya.